One-day remodels move fast, but sometimes they skip the most important stuff. Guess what just got skipped in your bathroom? Hey, I'm Callie, and today we're talking about a question a lot of homeowners ask. What's the deal with one-day bathroom remodels? They sound great, quick, easy, and done in 24 hours. But the truth is, that kind of speed comes with trade-offs that can affect how long your remodel lasts, how it looks over time, and whether it really fits your goals. At the end of the day, a bathroom remodel is an investment in your home. And when you're investing in something you use every single day, quality and durability matter. So let's look at some common issues with one-day bathroom remodels and what you should think about before deciding what's right for you. One of the first things to understand is that you're working with a pretty limited palette. Most one-day companies rely on prefabricated materials, often acrylic wall systems or snap-in panels. These aren't necessarily bad, but they do mean fewer choices when it comes to color, style, and texture. If you're someone who wants a unique design, long-term durability, or higher-end finishes like tile or stone, this setup might feel limiting. The takeaway here: if you're looking for something that fits your personal style and holds up over time, you may want to explore remodel options with more flexibility in materials. In many one-day remodels, the new surfaces are installed over the old ones, which sounds convenient, but it means the bones of the bathroom don't get inspected. Any water damage, rot, or mold behind the walls, that stays hidden. This can lead to problems down the road, especially if the structure wasn't in great shape to begin with. Here's the takeaway. A full tear-out may take a couple extra days, but it allows for repairs, reinforcement, and a truly clean slate, giving your remodel a longer life. If you're thinking about changing your layout, like replacing a tub with a walk-in shower or moving a vanity, one-day remodels sometimes aren't built for that. They're designed for quick swaps, one shower insert for another, same location, same size. That can be fine if your layout works well, but frustrating if you're trying to improve function, storage, or accessibility. If your layout needs tweaking, a more flexible remodel approach, like remove and replace, can open up new possibilities without requiring a full custom rebuild. Here's the big one. Speed often comes at the cost of long-term quality. One-day install might check the finished box quickly, but those fast-track timelines often use lighter materials and leave less time for precision craftsmanship. And in a bathroom where you've got daily moisture, temperature swings, and constant use, that matters. If you can allow a few extra days and invest just a little more upfront, you're likely to get a space that looks better, performs better, and lasts significantly longer. In terms of value, that's a win. Now, let's be honest. There aren't many things in remodeling that we'd ever say is not a good fit for anyone. Different materials, layouts, and approaches can all make sense under the right conditions, depending on your budget, goals, and how long you plan to stay in your home. But one-day bath remodels, that might be the one exception. Yes, they can work in rare cases, like a guest bath that barely gets used, or a very tight timeline with urgent accessibility needs. But even then, the long-term value just isn't there. You don't save as much money as you might expect, you sacrifice material quality, customization, and durability, and you often end up paying more later to fix issues that were never addressed in the first place. You're not wrong for considering a one-day remodel, but it's worth asking, what am I actually getting for the price that I'm paying? A little more time and care during the remodel can mean years more satisfaction in the space. If you're in the early stages of planning your bathroom remodel, take time to explore your options. Look at materials, timelines, and construction methods, not just the marketing promises. A few extra days and a bit more attention to quality can make all the difference in how your bathroom performs for years to come. If you want help evaluating your space or exploring layout and material options, reach out for a consultation or visit a showroom near you. It's not about how fast you can remodel. It's about how long the results will last. Smart choices today lead to a home you'll love tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and always remember to dream big, remodel smart.